Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I am going to draw a cupcake, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down to the right and outwards. And now, just following with me. Draw a curve down and to the right. And start at here. Just following with me. Now draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Here also. Three lines inside. Here also. Now draw the mouth. And now draw the lines. And now just following with me. Now we have a cupcake. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.